back to the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. Summer is officially here, and in South Carolina, that means 98 to 111 degrees in the middle of the day. So we need some type of relief. So I recruited, my two little helpers to put up our Summer Waves above ground swimming pool. Now this swimming pool is easy to put up, but it definitely is a 1, 2, or even 3-person job. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by my channel on today. And since you're here, go ahead and like. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload of the Priceless Pearl Life. And to all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back. And one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Johnson Ranch on today. So I'll give this Summer Waves pool, I'll say a 4 to 4.5 star rating. It's easy to assemble, again, with 1 to 2 or maybe 3 persons. It takes about 30 minutes up to an hour and a half. Quick pause from the pool to give some subscribers shout outs. Candy Jenkins, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and making sure to invite your friends. Styling with Gigi Faison, welcome to the channel. Chantel Lawyer for watching, commenting, and always visiting the Johnson Ranch. And I am so appreciative of Miss Kimberly Davis of A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Thank you for allowing me to participate in your collaborations, but also the fact that you come and watch all of your participants. Now, back to the pool. Yay! Water!
Finally. I want it. I want the water. Yes. This water like looks so pretty.
Videos are posted Tuesdays and Friday, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Follow me on Twitter at Pastor J, the AKA. On Facebook, Priceless Pearl Life. And on Instagram, it's simply Katrina Johnson. Help me reach my next goal. I'm pushing, and I know you're right behind me. Let's get to 600 subscribers. I know we can do it. I know I can. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and always remember you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you in my next video. But before I go, let's enjoy my quick little hat show.